that?
Pizzas.
What is the flavor of the pizza?
This looks like delicious.
Like delicious.
Yeah, like pepperoni. It's hard pizzas.
And
Lamb pizza. Oh, look at this.
what is that?
A pizza.
Cheesy pizza.
Yeah, then when you're done, then you have to close.
Okay.
Then let's eat the ketchup with the pizza. And Mama and Auntie Saira eat the ketchup. Then Daddy will eat the ketchup.
It's delicious.
Yeah, really.
It's yummy.
Yeah, then you have to cover this. Then you have to close.
Say thank you for Ate Saira.
Thank you, Auntie Saira.
I sing it to Jingle Bells, okay?
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Always on the nature world, bell, bell, bell. Hey!
Oh, Suska, very good.
This is one.